So, got this cart years ago from my uncle. I don't know how many years he had it. He was moving to Florida. Guess he didn't plan on doing yard work anymore. He couldn't move it. So, he gave me this cart, and I went to use it the other day to move some firewood, because it's an excellent cart for hauling stuff. Leaves, grass, clippings, branches, firewood. I load this thing right up to the gills. The wheel came apart. And since this cart didn't cost me anything and it's still perfectly good, I decided I would buy a good replacement. So if you look at this, I bought the Marathon wheel off of Amazon. And if you consider the thickness, this has the same thickness. This is nice sturdy metal spokes, never had a problem with them, but it's nice plastic. I know they make bicycle wheels out of this and stuff. I don't have any concerns about this not being strong enough. And the nice thing is, it even comes with this 3/4 inch bearing, which is what I needed. And then if you're somebody who has like the Rubbermaid cart, it's made out of plastic, they give you, I believe these are they're 5/8 inch bearings as well, that all come with this. And it's pretty easy to switch. You just simply slide that off, and you'll notice when you go to put this new one on that it could rub against the edges. Also, there's a lot of axle sticking out here, so I decided I would use a spacer just to take up that slack. So I have my old wheel and just something, I mean, this is a socket handle that I snapped the head off of. Fit it through here, and so as you can see, by working around with this punch, you basically got to keep hitting in different angles going through. I'm going to use the old bearing as a spacer. To make up for some of the extra width of the hub. Actually, I'll probably take both of them out. Use them as spacers, one on either side. So by working around again with this on the other side, I've now removed both bearings from the old hub. I can use them as spacers, and now I have the right dimension for putting a pin in to secure this in place in the axle. Like that. Bend the end. Now, I know some of these have cotter pins, but this little piece of wire will do the trick. Now, both of these bearings mounted on this axle. Make sure I have good clearance here, and there's not too much slop on the axle. And I'll just do the same thing on the other side. But I have to say, that was really nice. Like I said, it's just the Marathon 20 inch by I think 2.5, 2.25, something like that. Plastic, and it's got the rubber. It's not inflated. Wheel off of Amazon, and works great.